Hey everyone, my name is Cam, and this is going to be my first video here on the channel. Today we're going to be building the medieval horse knight castle. There are 3 different builds you can do. Today we're going to build just the main castle. There are about 1,371 pieces, about 11 bags, and 6 minifigs. It costed me about 150 Canadian, which isn't too bad. But before we get in the video, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone who saw this video on their For You page and chose to click on it. I really appreciate it, and if you enjoyed the vid, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, and here is the final build. It looks great. Everything looks great. It's definitely more detailed than what I expected, especially the inside of the castle, which we'll show in just a second here. But overall, it was a great build. Nothing repetitive or boring, which is great. So yeah, let's take a look at the minifigs. Alright, here are the 6 minifigs. We got 4 guys from the Horse Knight faction, one of them being on a horse, which is the king, then like a little villager, and then the final one on the left is a knight from the Serpent Knight faction, which is awesome. Alright, let's start getting a close look at the castle. Over here, just a close look at the gate with the drawbridge. Then this is, I guess, the main part of the castle. It's got 3 little entranceways, both with doors. This one opens up. Same with the one on the right. Very detailed little banner up top. Then over here we have the drawbridge, which is also fully functional. As you can see here, you can crank it up and you pull this little lever. It should drop down, but it didn't really cooperate for me. And here's just another closer look from top to bottom, just showing off how much detail this set has. Alright, now here's the interior. This is probably my favorite part. There's a little bedroom up top, which looks great. The colors look great. There's a little fireplace in the corner, a little door that opens up, along with the windows that are also able to be opened. Up top is like a little room, I guess, a little pen and paper. Coming down, there's a little staircase. And down here, it's like a little kitchen or something, a little anvil, a little fireplace with a cauldron over there, a little bucket with a carrot in it. And over here, I guess, is the dining hall. The chandelier is a bit crooked. I should have adjusted that before, I'm sorry. But yeah, there's a little table, little throne, food on it. Everything just looks great. There's so much little details, little banners up top, so much nice colors and everything. And here's inside of the gate. It's not really much to go over with, but yeah, it looks fun. Definitely a lot of room to add your own stuff if you'd like. Alright, and that is going to do it for the Medieval Horse Knight Castle. Overall, it was a great build. It's very detailed, looks great. It's definitely something you should consider picking up if you're able to, if you enjoy the medieval theme. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.